Are you looking for the best adjustable laptop stand? In this video we will look at some of the best adjustable laptop stand on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Urmust Adjustable Laptop Stand. The Urmust Adjustable Laptop Stand is a game changer when it comes to creating a comfortable and ergonomic workspace. Its design is in line with ergonomic principles, allowing users to find the optimal angle for effective work while promoting a healthy posture and preventing issues like sedentary cervical spine and spinal injuries. The stand offers continuous angle adjustments from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, giving you the flexibility to customize it according to your preferences. Constructed with specially processed aluminum alloy material, the Urmust notebook stand boasts a delicate feel, ease of cleaning, and resistance to rust and scratches. The metal heat conduction alloy and ventilation hollow design contribute to effective cooling, preventing your laptop from overheating during extended use. Number 2. Ergonomic Laptop Stand for Desk. The Urmust Ergonomic Laptop Stand seems to be a versatile solution for those dealing with back issues. It's not limited to specific laptop models, catering to a wide range from 10-inch tablets to 17-inch laptops, including various MacBook models. The stand is adaptable to both sitting and standing setups, offering flexibility in usage. With a sleek design, it not only provides ergonomic benefits but also aids in preventing laptop overheating. What's noteworthy is its easy adjustability, making it suitable for various activities such as Zoom conferences, movie watching, gaming, and even serving as a cookbook stand. This multi-use laptop stand appears to be a thoughtful and practical solution for enhancing both work and leisure experiences. Number 3. Fccabin Adjustable Laptop Stand. The Fccabin Adjustable Laptop Stand is a game changer for those seeking a comfortable and ergonomic work or study environment. Its standout feature is the freely adjustable height design, which not only corrects your posture but also alleviates neck and back stiffness. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to productivity. Portability is a key focus with this laptop stand. The foldable design makes it incredibly convenient for those on the go. Whether you're heading to the office, a coffee shop, or any destination, just fold the stand and you're ready to roll. Number 4. BoYata Laptop Stand. The BoYata laptop stand is a versatile accessory designed to enhance the ergonomic experience of working or studying on a laptop. One notable feature of this stand is its height adjustability, ranging from 3.9 inches to 7.4 inches. This flexibility allows users to customize the stand to meet their specific work or study needs, catering to individuals of different heights. The adjustment process is facilitated by a convenient button located on the back of the stand. Constructed with durability in mind, the BoYata laptop stand consists of two 3mm metal base plates and a support rod, providing a robust foundation that can support up to 11 lbs of weight on top. The inclusion of large rubber pads on both the top and bottom sides serves a dual purpose, stabilizing the laptop in place and offering maximum protection against scratches and sliding. Number 5. BINE LS10 Aluminum Laptop Stand. The BINE LS10 aluminum laptop stand is designed with broad compatibility, catering to laptops ranging from 10 to 14. Whether you own an Air 13, Pro 13/15, Lenovo ThinkPad, Dell, HP, Asus, Chromebook, or any other notebook, this stand has got you covered. Its ergonomic design allows for adjustable height and angle, promoting better ergonomics and minimizing neck fatigue. Forget about the hassle of tools. A simple push or pull adjusts the stand to your preferred height. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy, the LS10 stand is both stable and protective. It can support up to 13 lbs, 6 kg, without a hint of wobble, ensuring your laptop stays securely in place. The holder hands are equipped with tight gripping rubber to prevent scratches and provide added stability. Say goodbye to neck pains and hello to a more comfortable, ergonomic workspace with the BINE LS10 aluminum laptop stand.